Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy whole page in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show copy page in Microsoft Publisher. Now, going to the page on option. Pages option. Now click for a mouse right button, then click for insert duplicate page. Now for click, that is, then you show copy and paste from the, then again copy paste. Now click for mouse right button, then click for insert duplicate, then again same process, that is, then you show copy paste in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.